Hello! Today I'm going to read to you a story called How to Find a Fox. In this story, the main character gives you step-by-step instructions on how she can find a fox. And there's some funny places in there where she isn't really finding the fox, and she's probably not doing practical ways to find a fox, but this is a fun way to do that. At the end of the story, you could make up your own how to find a different kind of animal. So like I made this one, how to find a unicorn, and I did step-by-step instructions on how to find a unicorn and drew a picture of it. So you can make your own little story after, which this story could give you some ideas on how to find a fox. You can do your own how to find a. Another thing I want you to pay attention into the story is the illustrations. The illustrations really give away some great information on what's happening in the story. So let's look at those illustrations, those pictures together. How to Find a Fox by Nyla McGruger. How to find a fox. Find a foxhole. Any foxhole will do. The best foxes are at home when you visit. Are they? Take out your fox bait. Place it somewhere easy to spot. Hide, then wait very quietly. So she's trying to use a turkey leg or a chicken leg to catch a fox. That's the fox bait for her. Wait a little longer. Maybe you should try a different approach. What's happened in the illustration? After she leaves. He's smart, right? Tread slowly over the ground. Foxes have keen hearing. You don't want to startle them. Be sure to look for fox tracks. They're like dog tracks, but sneakier. She sees that they end there, right? In the illustration. And where's the fox? He's smarter than her, I think. Take a picture of a family of raccoons. They have bushy tails, kind of like foxes. Put out more bait. Wait longer this time. Oh no, you waited too long. Way too long, what happened? Yeah, she fell asleep. Lying around won't bring foxes to you. Keep looking. Stalk through the grass. Make fox calls. Search by the stream. Make more fox calls. Roll down a hill. It won't help you find a fox, but it's fun. Maybe you need a change of perspective. Climb a tree. Slowly, carefully. There's the change of perspective. Before she was on the ground, now she's high up on the tree. There he is. Climb down from the tree. He's getting away. Run, run. You've got to be quick. Don't lose him. You lost him. Kick a rock. No, wait, not that one. Kick a smaller rock. Lie down on your back because it's hopeless. Perhaps this was the wrong day to find foxes. Maybe you should just give up. But you're too tired. You want to go home. What do you do now? Take deep breaths. Close your eyes. Take a walk in your mind. Now's not the time to give up. What you're looking for is closer than you think. You've got a feeling that it's staring you right in the face. Some days a fox doesn't want to be found. Some days he wants to find you. Congratulations, you're a master at finding foxes. All the tracks. Isn't that a fun story? Now you could spend some time writing your own instructions on how to find an animal and what would you do to find that animal. And would they find you first? Or would you be successful? I hope to see you in the next read along. Bye.